Please show your support by leaving a like and subscribing. Hey guys, it's your girl Veronica, and today I'm going to be showing you how I made these Caribbean butterfly lip glosses. First, I'm wiping down my area with a Clorox wipe. I'm using coconut oil, vitamin E oil, butterfly confetti, a blue pigment, a syringe, lip gloss tubes, a mixing bowl, a pipette, a spoon, a wooden dual stick, coconut flavoring, TKP gloss gel, and storage containers. So to start, I'm going to put my gloss gel inside of the bowl. And now I am adding all of my oils and flavorings and colors. You want to mix everything really well together and make sure that there are no clumps. Now I am using the wooden dual stick to put a thin coat of lip gloss inside of the tubes so that the butterflies can stick into it. Now I am cutting and taping the pipette to the syringe so that it doesn't pop off when I'm filling the tubes. Here, I'm taping the pipette to the syringe so that it doesn't pop off when I'm filling the tubes. So that's it for these lip glosses. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please show your support by leaving a like and subscribing. Let me know in the comment section if there was anything you guys would have done different or if you're thinking about making lip glosses.